Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to share Spotify Wrapped 2022. So first of all, of course, if you don't have the Spotify application on your phone, you will need to go and download it through any store you could be possibly using. So once you actually do that, just go, of course, as we said, that if you don't have it on your phone, you'll need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So as I said, once you do that, just go and open your Spotify application. And of course, if you are not logged in already into your account, you'll need to log in into it. Or if you even don't have an account, you'll need just to go and create your account. So of course, once you do that, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page. And of course, if you don't have this your 2022 like Spotify Wrapped, you'll find a videos in this channel explaining how to fix that. But of course, I can tell you the solution here, which are, just go and check for any updates. Go, if that didn't work for you, restart your phone. If that didn't work for you, just go and clear the cache and you will be able to do that. So of course, one of those solutions will certainly work for you. So if that work for you, we'll open the Spotify and find it here. So just go and click at play, and as you can see, you will find this stories right here. So let me just tell you that, as you can see, Spotify 2022 wrap, they are telling you what is that about on those stories, and you can like keep watching those stories one by one, and you will see your Spotify wrap 2022. So of course, first of all, those stories, some of them are shareable, like this one. You will need just to watch some time of the story, and you will have this option of share your story. So then just go and click on it, and as you can see, you will have here several options. You will have the option of story Instagram, to send it in DM on Instagram on someone, to story on Snapchat, copy the link, download, WhatsApp, SMS, Twitter, Facebook stories, Messenger, Facebook feed, and even more option if we click on it. And as you can see, you will find all the other options on your phone. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.